All I want is a brick house with a porch that wraps around. All I want is land enough for my children to run. And in the highest pitch of grace, the end of trial and gratitude, it was for you that all others I did forsake. For you all others I will forsake. And how could it have been so often that we did speak of purpose and having and having dreamt his body with his back to the lake. Certain depths I cannot place. Walk and talk fine through all of the days, but still I miss the words you'd say. Past the point now of trusting that to change, I just learned to live around it. Still I will sleep too long, or I will hardly rest at all. So from where does energy come? Meet me by the fire door. Happiness, I don't ask more. Cheers to our cut root vegetables beside, with you present in my mind. It is with them that we spend our nights. Laughter that tides us through the rest. I liked it best when the morning had not left. Wake was not yet in your eyes. High, 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 low, 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 I would have seen you through both. Sunshine, marmalade, mama, mama, mama.